Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 27 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, subscribe button, drop me in Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. And apparently I've done this problem before, recent enough that we have a thing. But anyway, I just finished my 8-mile run, so I'm very lazy, very tired, very ready to, I don't know, just veg out for and do nothing for a week. I'm so beat up. I'm so tired. But regardless, hopefully this is the week where my fitness comes together and we give it all I have on Sunday. 1 week away, literally. But yeah, all right. Let's take a look at today's problem. We have 2125, number of laser beams in a bank. I think the only theme about this is the word bank. It doesn't even seem like it does anything. But all right, so you have anti-depth devices. You have an all by C grid. Banks of I represents the ith row. Each row is each rows are zeros and ones. There's one laser beam between any two security devices if both conditions are met. Two devices are located on two different rows. Okay. For each row, there are no security device in the ith row. I guess. Return the total number of laser beams in the bank. So is it just that okay. It's a little bit, I mean, I think I'm just trying to parse this like in my mind mentally. I think the clear thing is that you can remove stuff that doesn't have zeros, right? That's number one, because then you can skip over them anyway. And the reason why you want to filter them preemptively is so that you don't have to do special logic. Other than that, it is just literally count the number of things in the current row, count the number of things in either the previous or next row, depending on how you want to set it. And then that's it, right? And then you just kind of multiply them, because if there's 3 on this thing, 2 on the next one, then it has 6 laser beams, then you just sum it all up. Seems pretty straightforward, right? So yeah, so maybe we can do a filter. We could, and it actually doesn't even remember the space, right? So we can just do maybe like count is equal to say, let's just say row dot count of 1, the number of ones in or for row in bank. If maybe you can just say like if 1 is in row, right? Meaning that if there's a 1 in that row, then we could do it. And you could even run this real quick just to see that we filter those out, right? And it looks okay, right? This is what we expect. Then now, because we filtered out the zeros, we can just do like for previous, current, in counts, right? So this is a way to kind of get to every pair of adjacent things, and maybe we have like a total is equal to 0, and then total p times c, and we are good. Pretty, I think, right? Looks okay for these two. Let's give it YOLO submit. Unless I misunderstood it. Yeah. Yeah. Don't know why the weak streak thing did, or whatever, the streak thing didn't come up. That's why I'm like curious a little bit. All right. Oh, there we go. Oh, I guess we got a badge. Is this the 300th day of the year or something? I guess so. Okay. Yeah. What's the complexity here, right? Well, this is linear. This is linear. So everything's linear. This is, I guess it could be linear space-ish. I mean, that's not quite precise though. It's more precisely of our space, even though I guess, R can generate into be linear, but that's not, But yeah, that is all I have for this one. And actually, you don't even, I mean, I did it this way because I'm lazy, but in theory, you only really need like a 2-pointer thing, right? So if you do it with a 2-pointer thing, you could do it with constant space as well. But, as you could see, I did it in about like 3 minutes or whatever, so I'm not going to worry about it. Not going to think about it that much. Not quite sure why this is a medium. I don't know if I'm missing something obvious, but yeah. What did I do last time? I guess that's basically what I did last. Oh, here's me. That's what I did last time, and then 2 times ago I did it this way. I guess, yeah. I mean, I don't know. I think this. I don't know that there's too many creative way for me to think about this one. So I guess that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Have a great week, everybody. Stay good. Stay healthy to mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.